10:30 with what?
10:30 to 17, right? That's the time.
Yeah.
But with rental.
Okay.
And then fucking and make sure they know you're military.
I'm the ops. I'm 6'2".
Right here.
Because I don't have on socks. Loose.
It's gonna be fun.
You hyped?
I'm super hyped.
Oh, I tripped getting on because I was recording. Pretty cool. You look good, man.
Dude, I'm wearing swing. Look at that.
Oh.
Oh God, I have not stepped on snow in probably 13 years.
Come here.
This is hype.
Good.
Go well.
Honestly, I'm gonna drop my glove.
He said some rock on.
Look how tall this is.
We made it to the top. I'm gonna put on my hat. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Where you from, Caldwell?
Florida.
Florida? Damn.
Y'all gotta go down that way.
I can't really move. I'm gonna start recording again when I can help myself. How is it?
It's fine. Swing. Oh shit. Oh God, I'm going. Ah! Ah! That was amazing. Oh, my balls hurt. God damn it.
It's hard, bro. I'm dying. We getting food now. I'm not good enough to board and record at the same time, so I'm gonna have somebody do it for me. As y'all can see, I'm now at Burger King.
Stop it.
Get some help.
It's been real. It's been real. It's my first experience ever snowboarding. I just bust a lot. That's all I do. Hell yeah, Belle. So we've been snowboarding for about 5 hours now. It's been pretty lit. I got real good. Pretty decent. Pretty decent. Basically Shaun White. So we low-key cousins anyway. Me and Shaun White. I can see. So we just finished snowboarding. It was crazy. It was one of a lifetime experience. Never done that before. I'm excited to do it again.
I'm trying to go to like the water park when it gets warmer.
Yeah.
I heard there's like, or not water parks, fucking amusement parks. There's a roller coasters and stuff.
What if we went jet skiing in Busan?
Jet ski?
Can you jet ski in Busan? By the beach?
Isn't that beach dirty?
I don't know.
I just heard all the ocean theories.
Are we stereotyping though? Are we just assuming it?
Bro, if the air smell like that, you can't trust it.
Oh yeah, true. It's probable cause is what it is. Since y'all air smell like
Your water tastes like
yeah.
That's scary.
Wouldn't that be dope?
That'd be dope as fuck, bro.
Except if you hit a wave and you get knocked off, you're not just falling on your ass. You're going flying like you.
What do you do when you like here? You know, it's fun snowboarding because you like, I don't know, but how is it fun jet skiing?
You just go fast.
You be going fast, right?
You go fast, yeah. And you go far quick. It was like snowboarding. Like, you know how like you catch speed. If you catch speed and you can stay up,
It's just exhilarating.
like yeah, exactly. That's exactly how it is. I felt like Frozone from The Incredibles.
If you had skis, baby.
Y'all, if you enjoyed the snowboarding adventures, y'all didn't get to see much, but if you enjoyed what you saw, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Let me know what you want to see down in the comments below. Love and peace.
You are one of the most beautiful girls I've ever met. Now walk away from me.